Hey guys, welcome back. I got my combo box for January of 2022, the first one for the year. Let's open it up. This box should be easy to open, so, yep, very easy. See here. Okay, so here, I got box number 1, and then number 2's in there. Oh, there's another thing here, huh? From the UPS Priority Mail. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me check. Yeah, so this, yep. All this stuff is packing peanuts. Salt. Actually, we'll start with the small one first. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got, this thing right here, a big old DC book. I'm gonna open this up now, and, make sure I don't cut myself. Actually, I better use this hand, especially use this. Alright, got this open. So, let's take a look what's in here. If I can find the seal where the tape is. Yeah. Somewhere. It's always tricky to find it. As you can see, I had to pause the camera for this. Okay, I got comics out, so we got some filler pages. Excellent. Again, with the alternate order stacked with comic books. That's it for this stack. And we're gonna move this over, move on to the final box. I'll ready this one pretty quickly. Still haven't got any for my kid yet, so let's see. Hope for the best. Okay. You gotta do it like this. Now I'm gonna find the seal where the tape is. Here we go. Alright, that was easy, so here we go. Some fake books here. I guess I'm doing this in backwards order, huh? Oh, that's one for my kid. Huh. more for my kid coming up, I guess. Is that more, or is it just yeah, that's just the backs of my guaranteed or something for my kid. I doubt. Mm. Oh, look. Another one for my kid. This ouchie issue. Here's another one for my kid. I thought the Scooby-Doo one was the only one, but I guess there's 3 of them here for my kid. Fantastic. And here's the last one. Oh wait, these are filler pages, so here's the last one. Okay, that's it for this month's comic book order box. And stay tuned for the next month for some more new comics. So I'll see you guys later on my next video. Bye.